Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sorry guys, I hope you are always in happy situation and health condition. So now I want to talk to you about uh, how to make a banner in Figma. So happy watching. Okay, so the first step, we choose the frame in here. Here we are choose just like frame. We make like this, and uh, okay. And now I have the picture from Pinterest. I take and here I want to put it in here later. And so now we want to choose the color first. We make it more bigger. Okay, and so that we make it with a pen tool. Make it more like bubble. It's like random shapes in here. It's just like this maybe. Bubble, right? Click two times like this and like this too. Okay, maybe it's enough. And so we are make it the frame more bigger, maybe like this. Okay, and so we put the frame, the random shapes here, and we click K alphabets like this, and we make it more small. Make the banner like this, but we made ATM mode like amati, tiru, and modifikasi, and so we are put the picture in here like this, and go to here, so here like this, and already, and the picture is already, and after that we make the title like this. We go to here to the text and click here. We write here coffee shop, coffee shop, and okay, and we put in here the title and make it and click and select the text and click K. So the cursor is like this, and make it more small, and we make it more bold in here, maybe like just bold, and make it more small again. Coffee shop. Okay, that's already. And we write this again. Opening July 25. Here, click the tags in here and write opening. Maybe we modification little opening on March. 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 And we make the text is different fonts. We just click the text and go to here text enter and be here like this and make it more smaller than the title. Okay, so that make it more smaller again and then after that we make the after that we make the what is this, the bubble the block, the shapes, the other shapes like this, so we can make it with rectangle maybe, and we put in here, and we click two times like this, and also we go to here and make it more different. We just like this, okay, and sorry, I'm so sorry. And so we just like make more information of the product, and we um, write in here like Lauren Epsom like this, and just add the Lauren, sorry, Lauren Epsom like this, and we change the font. We change it's maybe just like this. No, no, no. Enter maybe. Yes, just enter. And we choose the medium text or regular. Maybe just like regular. And we make it more small, like this. Make it more big again. And after that, we are make the other random shape. We make it with pencils. Just like this, right? And also enter. And we choose the fill again. We choose the same color like this, and after that we move the stroke like this. Okay, there's not a stroke, right? After that we change the color of the uh, title. Maybe we choose what, yeah, oh, just not the title, just this, the opening, the we change the feel, and maybe we can uh, use this color. Is it better? Maybe. Okay, and after that we make the this again. We make with pin pencil again, just like random shapes. Always random shape because it can be it can make the it can make the banner is like more aesthetic. Okay, maybe it's enough, and we click V, and the cursor is changed, and this we click here and click the the shape this again, and also what we after that we make it small, maybe we should have, okay, and choose the fill is maybe like this color, and it's and we make the random shape is in in the behind of the picture like this. We just after that we make maybe like just like this, the random shapes again, and we just choose this in choose ellipse in here, and control D, it can, and we select both and control D again, and make it like this, and we select all of the ellipse, and we change this, we change become 130, the like this, it's changed, and we select all of that and control D again, and it's duplicate, and select all again and control D, and it's more duplicate again, and also we select all of that, and click control G to make this grouping, and make it more small like this, but more dark like this, and we change and we move it to like this and make it more small. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Uh, thank you for watching my video, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.